house, then third head, that is profits or gains from business or profession. Fourth head is capital gain, and fifth head is income from other sources. These are the total five heads of income under Income Tax Act. So these five heads are very important to study purpose. Whenever we will talk about the heads of incomes, these five heads are equally important. Now, friends, five heads. First head is income from salary. Whenever the assessee earn certain amount of income by way of salary, it is taxable under the head income from salaries. If the assessee earn the income from house properties, then it will be taxable under the head income from house properties. Sometimes if the assessee doing the business earn the profit, sometimes he may be professional person, doctor, lawyer, architect, chartered accountant. The such person received fees. The certain fees received by professional person or businessman earn profit or such gain. So we have a separate head, that is profits and gains from business and profession. Fourth head is capital gain. Sometimes any capital asset transfer or sale, such any point at the time of sale or at the time of transfer, any gain arise, such gain is called as a capital gain. Capital gain, uh, we always calculate on the capital assets. Capital assets are shares, debentures, bonds. These are the capital assets. Even our personal house property is also capital asset. Machinery is a capital asset. We have to charge gain or profit, so it is a capital gain. Now, if the all four heads, we have to put certain amount of income. Salary head, we have to put salary income. House property head, house property income. Business and profession head, business and profession income. As any kind of transfer or sale, that time we have to consider capital. Now, those incomes which are not comes above four heads, salary, house property, business and capital gain, such income will be chargeable or taxable under the head income from other sources. So there is no source, but income is there. That is called as a other sources income. Sometime if you won lottery, it is not a source of income, but it is suddenly or casually you earn the certain amount of income. It is called as a other sources income. The income which is there is no source, but suddenly you earn, it is called as a income from other sources. So there are total five heads of income under Income Tax Act 1961, and such heads of income will be taxable chargeable. Whatever income we have to put under such heads, it is taxable, chargeable. These things you have to keep in mind. The incomes which are comes under any particular head, such income will be taxable, will be chargeable. Chargeable means taxable. The under Income Tax Act 1961, five heads are there. From these five heads, we will learn first head, and name of the first head is income from salaries. Income from salaries. And we will discuss the salary model. It is very important. Now, friends, uh, today I provided PDF form of notes. Under such notes, income from salaries theory part is there. After this lecture, you have to see this theory part. You have to read and you have to write on your notebook. Now, we will discuss today background of salary. Now, first of all, what do you mean by salary? Salary means what? Yes, salary means what? Any idea? What do you mean by salary? Yes, you can share. What do you mean by salary? Salary म्हणजे काय? Any idea?
Salary means wages. It is get from employer to employee in organization and from factory owner to labor.
Loudly speak.
Salary like wages. It get from employer to employee
Okay.
and from factory owner to labor like wages.
Okay. Salary. It means it required employee. If you are doing the job and if you are earn the money, then you receive the salary. Unless and until if you are not doing the job, you will not receive salary. Yes or no? Salary, it required employee. So one thing you have to keep in mind whenever we have to think about the salary, the assessee must be a employee. Must be a employee. Now, what do you mean by employee? The person who is doing the job. The person who is doing the job or work for such particular person. And now, if you want to do the job as an employee, it required any particular person as a boss. Boss means company. It means it required relationship between employer and employee. It required relationship between employer and employee. Employer means boss. Employer means master. Employee means servant. Master, servant. Master means employer, servant means employee. Okay. So, salary means any amount of remuneration received by employee from his employer for the services rendered by him. Salary means any remuneration received by by employee from his employer for the services rendered by. It's a very simple meaning of the salary. Salary means any remuneration, any kind of remuneration received by employee. Employee means the servant. Received from whom? He is received from his employer. Why he is receiving this? Because he is providing the services to employer. He has provided services rendered by him. Servant or employee provide services, provide work, rendered, do the job. Therefore, employer give certain amount of remuneration and it is called as a salary. Salary means what? The salary means any remuneration. Any remuneration means any name you can call. You can call fees. You can call salary. You can call remuneration. You can call perk. You can call wages. You can call compensation. You can call any name you have to call such remuneration. Therefore, we can say that salary means any remuneration received by employee from his employer for the services rendered by him. Remuneration may be fees. Sometimes employee receive commission also. Employee receive commission. You can call any name: fees, salary, per, wages, compensation, commission, whatever name you can call for such remuneration, it is called as a salary. But there is there is relationship between employer and employee. Whenever we can say that this is a salary and it is taxable, when the salary will be taxable, when we can say that it is a salary, so it required a relationship between employer and employee. Whenever we can say that there is a relationship between the employer and employee, then such relation, whatever income generated, such income we can say that salary. There is a relationship between master and servant. There is a relationship between payer and payee. There is a relationship between employer and employee. Under such relation, any income generated, it is called as a salary. Okay, fine. Now, salary. Now, friends, salary and wages. Salary and wages. Is there any difference, salary and wages? Yes, this is a particular question to you. What is the difference between salary and wages? Yes, who can give the answer? What is the
Salary salary is given to the employee
hmm.
and wages given to the labor.
Okay. Any other answer? Okay. So here Pallavi says that salary is given to the employee and wages given to the labor. Okay. Okay. Now here wages paid to the labor and salary paid to the,
So
yes.
salary is monthly basis and
Okay.
wages is daily basis.
Daily basis. The difference is there. Salary paid monthly basis and wages are paid daily basis. Now friends, under Income Tax Act 1961, there is no difference between salary and wages. Both are same. There is no difference between salary and wages. Both are same. It means salary received by employee or labor, it is considered as a salary. Wages also considered as a salary. There is no difference. Only these kinds of differences, their wages are paid in daily basis and salaries are paid in monthly basis. Such kinds of difference we will not consider under Income Tax Act. Salary includes wages and both are taxable. Wages and salary both are taxable as a salary. Both are taxable as a salary. Wages also considered as a salary and salary also considered as a salary. There is no difference under Income Tax Act. Both are same. Whatever difference they are providing, received monthly or daily basis, such difference we will not consider. Even the we are paying the wages to the laborer and salaries paid to the employee, such kinds of difference also we have to ignore, because both are equal, because laborer also employee, laborer or those who are daily earner, they are also employee, and they are doing the business, they are doing the work on daily basis, and they are earning money in daily basis. This is a particular, we can say the scenario is there, but both have relationship. Both the income, salary and wages, it required employer and employee relationship is there. Employer and employee relationship is there, and this relationship, salary and wages, both are same and both are taxable. Okay, fine. Then after that, advance salary, areas of salary, due salary. Now friends, here I have mentioned here three terms: advance salary, areas of salary, and due salary. Sometime what happened, uh, 2 years before you did some work in particular office, and without receiving salary you left the job. 2 years before you did certain amount of work in particular company, and 2 months salary you are not received and you left the job. Still your salary is pending such company, and they are not provide to you, you are not received also, and they call to you, your salary is still pending, you can take the last 2 years before salary today right now. So it is called as a due salary. It is called as a due salary, outstanding salary. It is outstanding last 2 years. It is outstanding last 2 years. Now, sometime areas of salary. Areas means it is last 6 months, because of the COVID. Company not paid any amount to you last 6 months. You are doing job, you are doing work from home, but they are not provide any amount of salary. Company is not paying the amount of salary, and still 6 months salary is areas of salary. Then advance salary. Next month Diwali is there. In the month of November Diwali is there. You if you took November month salary today, it is called as the advance salary. Yes, next month salary received in advance, it is called as the advance salary. From March, April, May, June, July, August. Last from March to August, 6 months salary you have not received. So it is the areas of salary. And due salary. Due salary, it means it is still outstanding. This particular salary you are not received still. So here, and sometime if you received received salary. Okay. Now this received salary, due salary, areas of salary, and advance salary. These are the how many terms? 5 terms are there. Now my question is whether such salary taxable or not. Whether such salary taxable or not. First of all, advance salary. Is any answers? Whether advance salary taxable or not? Yes, who can give the answer? Advance salary taxable or not? Friends, advance salary always taxable. Areas of salary always taxable. Due salary also taxable, and received salary always taxable. One thing you have to keep in mind, if the salary received from past employer, present employer, or future employer, it is always taxable. If you receive the salary from past employer, that is taxable. If you receive the salary from present employer, taxable. And if you received salary from future employer, some of the company, they they are taking the campus interviews, and they are provide next year's salary in advance. Such salary will be taxable. because if you receive this particular salary from future employer, present employer salary also taxable, and if you received right now also taxable, past employer salary also taxable. The salary is taxable on receipt basis, due basis, advance basis also. I hope you understood what is going on. Okay, now next is salary received by MP or MLA. The salary received by MP or MLA. Now my next question is whether salary received by MP. MP means member of parliament. त्याला तुम्ही त्याला म्हणतात तुम्ही खासदार. Or MLA, member of legislative assembly, आमदार. Salary received by MP or MLA. Now my question, whether such salary is taxable as an income from salary? Yes, who can give the answer? Salary received by MP or MLA, whether such salary is taxable or not? Yes, who can give the answer?
Yes, taxable. Taxable.
Yes, sir.
Taxable. Okay. Any other answers? See that MP means Khasdar, member of parliament. MLA means member of legislative assembly, Amdar. They received salary. So it is taxable as an income from salary or not. Some people says that it is taxable as a salary. Now, my again you have to see this. It required relationship between employer and employee. It required relationship between employer and employee. खासदार आणि आमदारांना आमदारांचा बॉस कोण आहे? Who is the boss of MP or MLA? Yes, any answers? खासदार आमदारांना बॉस कोण आहे? Who is the employer of MP or MLA? Yes, Pallavi. Yes.
Central government and state government.
मी काय म्हटलं, खासदार आणि आमदारांना एम्प्लॉयर कोण आहे? तुम्ही म्हणतात स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट अँड सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट. whether MP or MLA are government employee? खासदार आमदार गव्हर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय असतात का?
No. नाही नाही
नाही ना.
नाही.
No.
They are elected members. तुम्ही वोट
Yes.
देता आणि तुम्ही त्यांना इलेक्ट करता.
Yes.
Yes, they are not an employee. They are not an employee, and they don't have the any kind of employer. त्यांच्याकडे त्यांना employer नसतो, त्यांना boss नसतो, and they are not an employee also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Therefore, such salary will not be taxable under the head income from salary. This salary is not taxable
Okay.
under the head income from salary, but it is taxable to income from other sources. त्यांची salary कुठे taxable असणार? Income from other sources. It will not be taxable as a income from salary. Reason is there is no relationship between employer and employee. This is a particular reason. Therefore, salary received by MP or MLA, it is taxable, but where it is taxable to income from other sources, It will not be taxable as a income from salaries. Yes, I hope you understood what is going on. Sometimes commission we can say taxable. Sometimes if you appointed in our company salesman and he has completed particular target, then company provide 1% commission on sale. The commission is also considered as a salary and it is received from employer. Therefore there is a relationship between the employer and employee. It is taxable as a salary. Sometimes they are saying that we are providing the fees to the employee, we are providing the wages to the employee, we are providing annuity to the employee. Any name you can call, but it is considered as a salary. There is a relationship between the employer and employee, and there is no difference between salary and wages. Both are taxable. Advance salary taxable, areas of salary also taxable, due salary, receipt salary also taxable. Salary received by employee from his past employer, future employer, or present employer always taxable. Sometime bonus, bonus, bonus. You heard the word bonus. Many people are getting bonus at a time of Diwali, Diwali festival. Many company and government organization declare bonus. I have seen last year municipal corporation, Mumbai Municipal Corporation declared the bonus to their employee. The bonus declare, bonus declare. Now my question is whether bonus is taxable or not. Yes, any idea? Who can give the answer? Whether bonus is taxable or not? Yes, Mr. Nagesh, Pallavi, Prakash, Vijay, whether bonus is taxable or not. Yes, any answer? Whether it is taxable?
Taxable. So taxable.
Taxable. Bonus declare. Now BMC, Municipal Corporation, declare the bonus. Railway employee receive the bonus. So declare bonus taxable or received bonus taxable?
Received bonus taxable.
What about declare?
I think so. It is not taxable because it has been declared. Now it's not paid.
Okay, fine. Bonus, bonus always taxable. Bonus always taxable on receipt basis. See the sentence, bonus always taxable on receipt basis. If the government declare the bonus, it will not be taxable. If the employer declare the bonus, it will not be taxable. Okay, 40 minutes are over. Uh, Now I want to stop here. After 5 minutes, I will start next lecture. Okay.